Hey everyone, I'm Hunter Reidhead. I study electrical engineering at Navajo Technical University in Crown Point, New Mexico. This summer, I'm attending the RU program research experience for undergraduates at Harvard University. Did you know that some plants used by Native American communities for tea might actually fight bacteria? Pretty cool, right? This summer at Harvard, I've been working on a project to find out how well these natural remedies really work. These herbs have been used for generations by the Navajo and other tribes to help with things like stomach aches. I wanted to see if they also have antimicrobial properties, the kind that might help stop infections or acne-causing bacteria. Our focus is on two common bacterial strains, E. coli, which you might know from food safety issues, and C. acnes, the bacteria often linked to skin infections. The big question: can natural teas and herbs help stop these bacteria from growing? Our process is divided into 5 main steps. First, we extract the tea and herb samples at different temperatures: room temperature, 37 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius. We do this for 5, 15, and 30 minutes each to see which combination brings out the strongest antimicrobial effects. So next, we freeze dry the extracts. This basically means we remove all the water, so we're left with just the important compounds. After that, we rehydrate the dried samples, filter them to remove any particles, and finally we're ready to test. We use a plate reader to measure how well our extracts prevent E. coli and C. acnes from growing. We try different concentrations to pinpoint which extract works best and under what conditions. My hope is that our work will shed light on the science behind traditional remedies and maybe even unlock new ways to fight bacterial infections. Using microfluidics concepts, we even put these extracts into tiny silk microgels. These could help deliver the antibacterial tea to where it's needed, like a natural way to treat skin and stomach problems. I have enjoyed my time learning and experiences in the program. I've always loved science and learning from indigenous traditions. Being here at Harvard has been amazing. I've learned how to design experiments, work in the lab, and share my research with others. I wish to thank Dr. David Waits, Dr. Yan Liu, Robinson Tom, and Sana Rahim. I'd also like to thank Catherine Holler and Dr. Soundapan. To any student out there, if you're curious, you can be a scientist. Ask questions, follow your interests, and don't be afraid to mix your culture with your science. That's where the magic happens.